The Shanghai Express. Hajar attacks Kishore Chandra's case to UN reporter. Case of Kishore Chandra widens. Now cops target Massad's man. 222 dead as volcano-triggered tsunami hits Indonesia. CPI set to tag up Kishore Chandra case. The People's Chronicle. Need for transitional justice acute in India. JNM's teachers to launch agitation from December 26. Water Resource Minister seeks public support to take flash floods. ZUF negates security forces claim, says women not recruited. Imphal Free Phrase. Release Kishore Chandra. CPIM presses government. Police after Massad's leader for voicing opinion against Kishore Chandra's detention. KCP War Group chairman brought to Imphal. Thawal police writes to 26 Assam Rifle CO on custodial death of Abdul Ghaffar. Arrested Customs Assistant Commissioner released on bail. The Morning Bell. Letpao calls for expanding trees cover to prevent calamities. Colleges Union pleads to strengthen academic atmosphere. Jofi NIT team flag in. Policy to standardize medicine being sold in market. Speaker.